Just like Facebook, Instagram stores a history of all your liked posts that users can access within the Instagram app. However, not many users are aware of this nifty feature since it's stuck somewhere in these settings. Now this video is going to teach you how to go about it. It is also a quick way to unlike certain posts that you've liked in the past without the need to recall or manually search for a particular post. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do this. If today being the first time watching a video from my channel, consider subscribing and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Now without wasting my time, let's quickly open our let's quickly open our Instagram. Make sure it's connected to the internet. So when you open your Instagram, you click on your profile. That is the icon at the bottom right. So click on that, and then you look above and you see these three lines. So you click on these three lines and click on your activity. So you click on your activity. You can see it over here, your activity. After clicking on activity, you can see interactions. So you click on interactions. After interactions, you go to likes. So from here, you can see all the posts you've liked from the day one you opened your account. This is very, very simple. This is very, very simple. And let me walk you through another new way. If you don't see it here, click on the three lines again. You go to settings. After you go to settings, you click on account. So when you click on account, you scroll a little bit down, you see it below the request verification. You can see request verification. After the request verification, you will see something like post you've liked. Yes, you see another feature over there, post you've liked. That is in case you don't see it in activities, you see it over here. So thank you for having time to watch this video. As I said earlier, don't forget to hit the bell icon. After liking this video, you hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. Catch you up in my next video.